How to migrate a profile to permission set.
To convert a profile to a permission set, first you need to install User Access and Permissions Assistant from AppExchange, and the user should have the listed permissions. Once you have both things done, just follow these steps. Go to AppExchange and install User Access and Permissions Assistant. It's free. To install, click on the Get It Now button, log in with your credentials and select the org. Once done, this page will appear asking for which users you want to install. Select specific users and click on Done. Once installed, go to the App Launcher and search for User Access and Permissions Assistant. Open it, and here you can see the Converter tab. Just go to Converter. You can see all the profiles here. Select the profile you want to convert, click on Convert to Permission Set, and you're done. You can now check your converted permission set. What remains in the profile? Some settings cannot be moved to a permission set, so they stay in the profile. Like login hours, login IP ranges, page layout assignments, record type assignments, app assignments, default apps, password policies, session settings, delegated administration settings. These are profile level settings and not supported in permission sets. What transfers to the permission set? The following access and permissions are migrated into the new permission set. Essentially, anything that is supported in permission sets will move over.